Welcome to day 23 of 31 days of Halloween themed prints. In order for me to receive this Halloween themed trophy, in order for me to do that, I have to find a design, slice it, print it, film it, edit it, and upload it daily here on the Cosine Additive channel. Today we have a Jack-o'-lantern Buddha, and let's see how this turns out. And I will say it turned out pretty well, and a good addition to anyone's Halloween decor. If you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for tomorrow for some more Halloween themed prints.